You want to make your money work for you in 2025? Whether you've got $100 or $10,000, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the smartest, most realistic places to invest your money this year. No fluff, no hype, just solid opportunities you can actually start with today. Welcome to the Money Map. This is the place where we break down smart money moves that anyone can make, no matter your income or experience. In today's video, we're diving into the top investment opportunities you need to know about in 2025 so you can start building real wealth and make your money work smarter, not harder. Before we jump in, just a quick heads up, this isn't financial advice. What I'm sharing today is based on my own research and what I'd personally consider as investment options. Everyone's financial situation is different, so make sure to do your own research or talk to a financial advisor before making any big moves. 5 main investment opportunities in 2025. Number 1. High-yield savings accounts. Let's start with something safe, high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit. These won't make you rich overnight, but they're a great option if you want your money to grow without much risk. The returns are low compared to stocks or crypto, but they're still better than letting your cash sit idle in a regular account earning next to nothing. Number 2. Index funds, like S&P 500. Next up, index funds and ETFs. These are great for beginners because they offer long-term growth with minimal effort. Instead of picking individual stocks, you're investing in a broad mix of companies, which helps reduce risk. It's a simple, hands-off way to grow your money over time, perfect if you're just getting started or don't want to spend hours tracking the market. Number 3. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate might sound out of reach, but it doesn't have to be. Thanks to platforms like Fundrise, you can start investing in property with as little as $100. It's a great way to get into the real estate game without needing thousands of dollars up front. You'll earn passive income and potential appreciation, all without being a landlord. Number 4. ETFs or sector-based investing. If you're ready to take on a bit more risk for higher potential rewards, consider investing in trending industries. In 2025, sectors like tech, green energy, and artificial intelligence are showing serious growth potential. These industries are shaping the future, and getting in early could lead to big gains over time. Just remember, trends can shift, so always keep an eye on the market. Number 5. Fractional investing, stocks and crypto. And finally, if you're looking to dip your toes into stocks or crypto, apps like Robinhood and Coinbase make it super easy to start, even with just a few dollars. They're beginner-friendly, easy to use, and give you access to a wide range of investment options right from your phone. Just make sure you understand what you're investing in before you jump in. Start with a high-yield savings account to grow your money safely, look into index funds for long-term, low-maintenance growth, explore fractional real estate investing through platforms like Fundrise, and don't be afraid to try trending industries or beginner-friendly apps. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning as you go. Which one of these investment options are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're thinking. And don't forget to subscribe to the Money Map for weekly tips on growing your money the smart way. Whether you're just getting started or already investing, there's always more to learn.